Vámonos. Or you can
Oh, okay. What happened?
hold it. Explain.
So today, we're putting in Dorman part number 917170 for exhaust manifold leak repair. There you go, right there. What happens? Bolts break all the time on the exhaust manifold. And as you can see, we've already installed this one. You can barely see the silver bolt on top of that bracket that has to be installed. Back here. It's way up there, and of course it's dark. La luz, Nico. Over here. Hey, cabrón. Worst video ever. There we go. Maybe. And drive shaft's in the way. There it is. Goes to the back of the head. Easiest way to do this, we ended up dropping this drive shaft slightly. Removed these two bolts on the transmission, jacked up the transmission to give you another inch or two, and then also removed the firewall heat shield so that way you can get what tiny skinny little hands you may need to have to get that in there. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy.